Huwag mong gawin yan sa mga anak ko. Sige ka dyan, bahog na droga. Ilang Pilipino na sa labas? And how many Filipinos are suffering outside just to earn a living so that they can send money back home? Makapag-aral at makakain ang mga anak nila because of poverty. So here we are trying to improve the nation. May mga kapatid tayo, so many of them, they go abroad and they suffer. Lahat na. Being raped, being abused, without food, walang tulog, and yet they endure the agony of life para lang makapagdala ng pera doon sa kanila. And they have to remit money to the children who are in school, hoping that in a few years they'll be able to perform the task to see their children succeed in their education. So what do? Shabu is a chemical that is for the poor. Sasabihin nga nila, Duterte is killing ang mahirap. Look, stupid. Shabu is a commodity for the poor. Yun namang mga yayaman, it's cocaine. But cocaine is taken an extract from a plant organic. Shabu is a mixture of a chemical that destroys the brain of a person. Ang masakit sa akin, totoo, kaya ako pumapatay. Ang masakit sa akin, they swallowed everything, including their dignity. Hinayaan na tapos didikitan mo. Malaman niya na may allowance yan. Tapos dikitan mo ng dikitan hanggang putak bumigay. Din sisirain. Now who will now answer for the sacrifices, the toil and the sweat of the poor Filipino? Bakit? Mayaman ba tayo dito? You think that trabahan natin, pati tayo dito. Yun ang, aside from your remittances, do you have enough savings if God will grant you another 5 to 10 years? Pag naubos yan, who will buy your medicines? Sinong bibili sa antibiotics mo? Sinong bibili dyan if you have a high creatinine? Would that pension last? Sinong bibili niya? Matanda ka na. Sinong pugungit ng lugaw sa... Anong nagawa kayo yan? Anak ninyo, just as our parents took care of us, and their children noon, tayo ang magbantay. Tayo ang magbayad sa ospital. Tayo ang magbayad sa oxygen. Tayo ang magbayad sa punerarya, pati paglibing. Utang ina, tapos ganunin mo, talagang papatayin kita.